In this video, we will draw a butterfly freehand with color pencils. We will begin the outline of the butterfly with goldenrod. Without guidelines, we'll try to match the wings as close as possible. Let's add some marks within the wings to help us start to detail them. We will start to darken the outline of the head, thorax, and then the abdomen with violet blue. We will darken the outline of the wings at the top of the drawing, which are the forewings. Next, we will darken the outline of the wings at the bottom of the drawing, which are the hindwings. Next, we will darken the antennae. Now let's continue to use violet blue to add detail in the wings. Once again, we will use goldenrod to add more detail. You could consider these marks made with goldenrod as the wing veins. Next, we will darken our drawing with violet blue. We will continue to use goldenrod over the outline. Next, we will begin to use yellowed orange to add value or shading to the wings. Now we will use canary yellow to fill the wings. Canary yellow helps fill in the butterfly and brighten it up. We're going to use black grape to help give the details some contrast. I'm glad to share the process of drawing this butterfly with you. Thank you for watching.